Hello. I'm Matthew. I don't have a body, but that doesn't mean I can't sing. Ooh. Hello. I'm Matthew. I don't have a body, but that doesn't mean I can't sing. Doesn't mean I can't sing, but that doesn't mean I can't sing. Hello. I'm Matthew. I don't have a body, but that doesn't mean I can't sing. Doesn't mean I can't sing. Hello. I'm Matthew. Hello. It's like I need to that you know, but that doesn't mean I can't sing. Doesn't mean I can't sing. That's enough shenanigans. I can't actually sing. But what I can do is emphasize words. Speak slower. Or faster. I can adjust my pitch. That goes both ways. I can even do ASMR, if you're into that. Now, how does all of that work? I need a little help from a friend of mine to explain.
Let me introduce the IntelliVoice voice synthesis module. Well, it makes your games talk.
Mattel Electronics presents Bombsquad. They'll never do it in time. The code, figure out the code.
What?
It won't be easy. Replace this third, this fourth, this second, this first.
Whoops. Wrong clip. Let's try that again.
The Speak and Spell was one of the first consumer devices that started to cross the line into actual speech synthesis.
E-A-R-N. That is correct. Now spell one as in one word.
But I hesitate to call the Speak and Spell a true speech synthesizer because it really only knows about a little over 200 words, and those words are all pre-recorded. So in essence, it's like a See and Say that just happens to know 200 some odd words. However, the Speak and Math starts to blur the lines. The reason is it can pronounce any number imaginable because it has recorded all of the sounds that make up numbers. There are 6 separate sounds that have been recorded to make this phrase. So what were some of the practical uses for speech synthesis? Well, when we were 10-year-old kids, probably the favorite thing that we liked to do with them was to make the computer say all kinds of filthy curse words. And
Hello?
Hey there, technoman. I just have to tell you that your YouTube channel is total crap.
Flippin' idiot.
But seriously, speech synthesis has found numerous uses over the years, such as being the voice of Stephen Hawking.
The first question they asked it was, is there a God?
And even automated telephone services like these.
Hello and welcome to Movie Phone. If you know the name of the movie you'd like to see, press 1.
And it has continued to improve over the years with things like Siri.
hey Siri, what is speech synthesis?
Speech synthesis is the artificial production of human speech. A computer system used for this purpose is called a speech computer or speech synthesizer.
In fact, I'm using an online speech service to narrate this section of the video. Pretty neat, huh?
I think that covers most of it. Please check out 8-Bit Guy on YouTube. And about the singing thing, we'll look at Vocaloids in another video.
Now I'll write in some lyrics, and this is what we now have.
Human singers cheat with autotune. We machines cheat with Vocaloid. Anyhow, it is time for me to go. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos every Wednesday. Oh, and one more thing. If you make me say bad things, I will find you and I will